Okay, I just went to Harbor Freight buy a Drill Master. Cost $60. It does not come with the blade, so the blade I recommend is the one they use is 4.5 inches. Make sure it's a continuous rim, not the one has a mark on the side or like that. Let me just open up, take a look. Come with a handle. That's the top. That's the back of it. Quite pretty long. Let's open it up. Yeah. The whole piece came out. This is the 45 degrees. And you use that for cutting at a different angle. So they only come in 45 degrees. Here's the manual. Put it together. Some of these tools. The third part, make sure you don't lose any of these. Here's the guy or the cover. Oh, this is the one you adjust to different angles. I don't think I'm using it right now, but someone can use it. You just turn to like different angles. These are legs, rubber legs. Okay, let's install it. So first, you see the over here, the screw there. You need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you don't lose it. Over here, put this thing out. Gets high. Next, this part. So we take out the screw. It came with the washer. Make sure you don't lose the washer. So this part, you go this way, you go here underneath. Push it to the top, hold it, okay, and then see the screw over here. And this one. Put it here. So here, install the blade. It's a 4.5 inches continuous rim blade. I got it from Harbor Freight also for 10 bucks. So here. Unscrew it. Takes it out. See the direction of the blade. And there's a direction here. See it? So take this out. You don't take this thing out, you just this bit goes inside. That's supposed to get out. You'll fit right in the hole here. It won't move. Okay, then this is a square lock or rectangular mattress here. Go right in. They should put a washer there, but they don't. Tighten it up. These two. So this go to the hole here, holding this and this. Go here. Plot right, tighten it up. Alright, make sure you're tight. And now just put the cover back. Remember the screw here, don't lose it. Go right there. Alright, so this one, turn. To install the cover, go this way. Better angle. So how do you do that? Here. Screw it. Take out the washer. Take out the bowl. And then you put it here. Install through the hole. And then on here, on this side, the washer here. Kind of not long enough. Oh yeah, this thing remind you here. See that? That's what, you do it like this, it won't go through. So you have to make sure the mattress here. Okay. Washer knob. You don't need to be too tight, otherwise this thing is too tight. So that's how it look like. When you cut it, you block the water from flying out this way. So behind, lift the handle up. See this? Take it out. So here's the sky, and this one is opening up, and you see the measure here on both sides, and you just put it here. Go with the measure you want. Not that easy to put in though. and then clip it. And then you slide your tie on here to cut it. See the measurement on both sides, on the left and the right? So that's how you measure how much you have to cut on your tile. And this piece, I don't think I need to use it. It goes in here. And you can turn this. Adjust a different angle. For you cutting tile on different angles. So I don't think I need that slide there for the tile to cut. Okay, some people like the tile to cut diagonally. This is how it does. Okay, last, this is a drain plug. Pull it out. See that? You drain the water. Forgot to mention the rubber legs. Here, what we do is just put it in on 4 corners of those. Alright, that's all you have to do. So now adding water here, which is the mark here, the minimum. I just found what's the maximum. If it's overflow, you see that? Water drain out from here. So all the water drain out. So there's overflow. The maximum here, the minimum down there. Okay, let's do the cutting because it's too small. Any of this. So I'll just use my free hand to do it. Turn the thing on. You should put this on, otherwise water flying everywhere. If you see the problem, this thing is blocking my tile to move forward. So that's why this screw here for to adjust this, move it away. So when you move, it moves in the center, not blocking the tile because the blade is more on the left compared to these things on the right. So it's blocking the tile to move forward. So I'm going to adjust this part to move in the center. So it'll be the center of the blade, so it won't block. See, tighten it, and then just put this thing back on. One more thing is the water is going to run out, so you need to add more water. So I'm going to add more water. There's a hole here. So that's the edges. Not bad. Alright, thanks for watching.